Hi, my name's Dave Hutchins, I'm Group Sales Director. Today we are going to talk through the rental process and also give you a brief overview of some of our vehicles.
And I'm John Barnbrook, National Business Development Manager.
When a customer contacts us for a vehicle requirement, the first thing we would do is to understand their needs and requirements and then try to get one of our vehicles to fit their specific needs. So we try to make the process simple for the customers when they have vehicle requirements by first of all asking them some questions such as what they need to carry. They may already have an idea of the type of vehicle. If they don't, by simple questions of payload, product, etc., we can then normally identify what they actually require and then offer them the best solution that we can offer.
So we offer everything from a small car derived van all the way through to a 44-tonne tracked unit and pretty much everything in between. That includes dry freight vehicles, refrigerated, construction, municipal. When a new customer comes on, it's a straightforward process to open an account with ourselves, and from them submitting the paperwork to us getting them on the road is often achieved within under 24 hours.
So now we're going to view some of our vehicles. So here today we have two refrigerated vehicles, a 3.5 tonne refrigerated and an 18 tonne. We do up to 26 tonne vehicles as well. So these vehicles are predominantly used by food companies, although there is some other products that do have to be temperature controlled. So the product that goes in the rear of the vehicle can be anywhere from -20 to +20 in its transportation and transit. So here we have, as I said, the 3.5 tonne Mercedes Sprinter van. So this has, starting at the back, we supply it with a step to assist the driver in getting in. It's also got a removable bulkhead, so we can actually move the size of the compartments depending upon the load. It also has a side door to access the front compartment. Again, the bulkhead can be removed so it can be all of one compartment. Here you'll see the refrigeration evaporator, which is the part that actually cools the vehicle down. And also within the vehicle we have a temperature recorder. This actually, as the name suggests, records the temperature of the product in transportation, and some products have to be very fine art in the temperatures that they have to be transported in. And moving on to this one, this is an 18 tonne vehicle, so obviously gives you a far greater load capacity in both weight and cubic capacity. So moving over to a few of the features, we have a side door again, so that you can load from obviously from the side, but also it is a dual compartment vehicle. We also have access for the driver if the product is being handballed on and off, so he can climb up and down safely. Walking around the vehicle, this actually has a separate fuel tank for the refrigeration unit. The tail lift is a large slide out tail lift. This is used for lifting the product on and off the vehicle. These gates are for when there's curbs or just for running the paddock truck off, and they also act as a safety device so that the roll cages can't roll off the back of the truck. This particular vehicle has got a roller shutter on. Some vehicles have barn doors, we prefer to have the roller shutter. Again, it's got a step to get in and out the vehicle. Within the vehicle we have again the refrigeration unit. There is 2 levels of load lock and protection on the bottom of the vehicle. Above the door is another evaporator, and just like the smaller brother, the 3.5 tonner, it's also got a sliding bulkhead door to give the vehicle 2 compartments for different temperatures. So here we have 2 vehicles predominantly used in the construction industry. We have a 18 tonne pole erection vehicle and a 7.5 tonne insulated tipper. So now we have a walk around this polling vehicle and showing you some of the features. So the vehicle is one of our more bi-spoke vehicles and unusual vehicles, actually designed for the installation of telegraph poles. So what you will see is a rear mounted crane, and on it there's a device called an auger, which actually is used for drilling holes in the ground to insert the telegraph pole, and the crane will lift the pole into the hole. Has numerous toolboxes for the workmen to keep their equipment in. There's also some steps to climb up onto the vehicle safely, and also it has the full arrest system for working at height as well. These are the crane stabilising legs, which are extended out, retracted down to the floor, which gives the vehicle stability when the crane is moving.
Right, so we've got an Isuzu 7.5 ton insulated tipper for tarmac applications. You've got the urban cab for ease of manoeuvrability, and an automatic gearbox for driver comfort. And if you come down the side, you've got the insulated body for the tarmac, and then with the safety features you've got the beacon bar and the full arrest bars. And then around at the rear you've got the tarmac chutes when the body tips, and you've also got a tow bar if somebody wants to tow a trailer. Right, now we've seen the construction vehicles, we're going to go have a look at some tracked units. Right, so here we have another two vehicles from our fleet. First up we've got the Volvo FH Globetrotter XL 500 horsepower. In one of our previous videos Mark went into details across the Volvo, the DAF and the Mercedes, so I won't go into too much detail on this one. But again, great spec for drivers staying away overnight. You've got the Globetrotter XL cab, so full height for getting changed and moving around in there at the end of the working day. Refrigeration unit for their food and drinks. They can be specified with microwaves if required. So yeah, a proper home from home. And then if we move on to the Isuzu 7.5 tonner, it's a curtain sider. So again, you've got the urban cab, which is ideal for deliveries in built up areas due to its narrow profile. So again, easy to manoeuvre for the driver. And then our standard 20-foot curtain side body, obviously can be loaded from the side for deliveries. And then if you come round to the rear, you'll see that this one has got the full barn doors. So the beauty of these is they can be open right out, and it can be backed up to a loading bay and loaded from the rear, or it can be unloaded or unloaded by the tail lift, which can be controlled from the wonder lead on the inside of the vehicle if the driver's inside, or externally on the near side. And then you've also got the restraining straps to keep the load secure. Right, so thanks for watching today's video.
And for any more information and you'd like to contact us, please follow the link below.